Well, hello everybody, it's Bella here from Rach and Bella Crafts, and I've just popped on to show you a special Happy Mail. So this is from Wendy Perkins, and she lives in Newport in Wales, and I've met her a couple of times at our retreats, and she has a YouTube channel too, and she's from Little Ness Crafts YouTube, and I will put her link down below so that you can go and check out her work. And she sent me a lovely little gift this week. She kept saying how lovely it was for us to do what we do with the retreat, and she was very grateful. So there's a lovely card there, a tag. Now I'm being dying to open this, so we're going to open it together, so bear with me while I think what I'll do, I'll cut the end off there so that I'm not making a noise on this end, and see if we can get it out quietly. Well, there we go, that's it. So let's see what we've got inside. Oh my goodness me, look at this. Oh look, it's a flippy floppy one. It's a double-sided one. How marvelous. I've never done one of these. Oh my gosh, that is so pretty. Isn't that lovely? Gosh, that took a lot of work. Oh my word. Well, I'm going to start this way. That says God's Beauty. Yes, that's the back by the look of it. So let's get in, shall we? So we've got a lovely card on the front with some flowers that she's fussy cut here, look. And there's some netting behind. Yeah, that's netting. That's lovely. So let's get inside, shall we? Oh my gosh, Wendy, this is gorgeous. Thank you so much. I need to bring the thing a little bit closer. For some reason, my camera keeps slipping. So I'm going to have to be careful. Right. You get some ideas from here now, girls, for sure. Oh, that's lovely. That is beautiful. What a pretty kit. Oh, there's another one in there, look. Oh, there's some papers in there, it's lovely. Oh, look, for writing. What a lovely idea. That is so cute. And a lovely card. Wendy, I'm not sure what kit this is. Oh, yes, it's, I think it's one of Rachel and Angela's, but I'm not 100% sure. So it's either Angela's or the one that they did together. Isn't that sweet? So you'll have to tell me in the oh, isn't that beautiful? That is so lovely. Yeah, I'm pretty sure this is the one where they did a joint collaboration. But I'm not sure because I know Angela did another one, so, and it doesn't look that familiar, so maybe it's Angela Kerr's. Anyway, you can tell me, okay, and let me know, Wendy. That is so lovely. Look at this. Beautiful, absolutely beautiful. Oh, that's cute. Beautiful papers. Lovely colours. Yeah, because I'm confused, because the one lady we said looked like Steph Howells. Is it that one? No, that's not that one. They're lovely too. Aren't these sweet? Oh my gosh, look. I'm going through it fairly quickly because it's quite a bit to show you. But these are lovely tags. Look at that. And I do like machine stitching on them. So I know some people don't, but I do like the machine stitching. I like either, actually, whether it's machine or not. That's lovely. Look at that. This is so cute. Oh, look. Wow. Handmade, that says on there, that little one there. Don't know whether you can read it. It says handmade. I'm trying to keep it in the middle of the screen. That's lovely. Absolutely gorgeous. And I don't think I made a journal with this kit. I'm pretty sure I haven't. I have got a journal up there that's ready to go in my shop, but I can't remember what it was now. But this is lovely. Oh, it says retreat, look. Yes. How fun. How fun is that? That is lovely. Does that open or something? What does that do? Yes, look. Oh, now that is different. That is lovely. What a clever idea. Are they sweet? So sweet. And then that clips back under there like so. Tag up here, look. Marvellous. That's a little pad on, it's on a paper clip. That is lovely. Put that in straight. These papers are gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. Oh, thank you, Wendy. This is so sweet of you. I love it. Absolutely love it. How cute is that? Miss Piggy there, look. That's a lovely photograph. Another nice envelope. Oh, what's she got in here, look? Oh, look. Oh, how lovely. Oh, aren't they sweet? Some fussy cuts and some whalebone tags. Peace. This is really, really lovely. Done a marvellous job. It's taken me back to, when did we go? Was it June last year? It's given me that sense of feeling of that beautiful place that we went to on the farm. Surprising how quickly you forget, isn't it? Oh, let's turn over now. We've got another one now. Oh, how exciting. Am I opening this the right way? Yes. Oh, wow, look at that. Beautiful, beautiful papers. Little envelope there, look. And that says The Gardener. It's got one of Rachel's birds on there. And that, I presume, opens like so. Yes. Oh, wow. Oh, look. Oh, isn't that sweet? Now, that is clever. Wow, that's fantastic. Love it. Never quite sure what to do with all these little bits. What a lovely idea. Look at the little chick on there. Oh, that's lovely. I'd love to live somewhere like that, wouldn't you? That is gorgeous. Made a little journal inside the envelope, look. Something in there. I'm not going to attempt to get that out. I might break it. Little tag there. Some super ideas. Tiny little envelope there. Oh, wow. Oh, that is really lovely. What a fabulous idea. If I can get that up. No, there we go, like that. And that just sits in there so nicely. Excuse my fumbling. There we go. Make sure you're in shot. Oh, that's beautiful. Look at that. A little bit of lace under there. That says resting. A couple of chickens. Yeah, this I think is Angela Kerr's, but I'm going to find out. There may be a couple of mixed kits in here. I'm not sure. She didn't say. But this is absolutely lovely. Really lovely. Look at that check on there. That reminds me of Angela. Definitely. Fabulous. Love these. Oh, isn't that cute? What a neat idea, look. You've got some fabulous ideas, Wendy. There we go. That's lovely. That's beautiful. I can't get over how pretty it is. Oh, look. Isn't that just sweet? It says hope. That is lovely. That's all I can say. It's all so gorgeous. Really, really beautiful. Words down there with a little ruffle. Little birdie there. Oh, that's sweet. That's lovely. That says soulful. That's lovely. When you love a garden like that. You've got so much ephemera in here as well. Oh, that's lovely. All so gorgeous. This will definitely remind me of our retreat. Definitely. Because, oh, it comes off, I see. Because we've had another retreat since that one. And you tend to forget the one before then, don't you? But this will definitely remind me of that. That's lovely. Well done. And I think that must have gone under there. Did it? That's lovely too. A watering can. Oh, isn't that beautiful? And we've got a key here, the shape of a heart by the look of it, and a shell. That's lovely. I never think to put charms in the middle like that. Oh, that's lovely. I really love that. That is so sweet. Look at that. Sorry about the light. It's getting on now. It's quite late in the afternoon. That's lovely too. It's all lovely. Oh, look. Oh, this is such fun. That's beautiful. I love the pink on there. It's really delicate. Oh, there's another one of these, look. This is really clever. That says laughter. Certainly inspiring me. It says inspire there, look. And a lovely tag there. I think I showed you that. And that just neatly goes under there. How neat is that? Oh, look, I didn't realise that came out. Oh, wow. I won't get that back in now, you watch. Oh, I did. There we go. Well, that really is clever, I have to say. This is so darling, this journal. I hope Angela sees this. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. That's lovely. That's a nice idea, that. We don't... sometimes it's nice to have a plain sheet, isn't it? For you to write on. Bright sunflowers never fade. Exactly. There we are. Wow. Just love it. Absolutely love it. Sorry I'm not saying much, but I'm just trying to take it all in as I'm going through. But I will go through it again after this video because there's such a lot to look at. And it's so sweet. Oh, I love that. Look at these. Look, it's just these little things that she's thought of, look. How marvellous. That is so clever. There we go. That's it. She's beautiful, absolutely beautiful. Let me turn around that way. And I'm going to attempt to do them up. So that's that. So thank you, Wendy. Wendy from Newport. Thank you so much. That is wonderful. I'm going to put that over there. I'm just going to show you quickly what my next project's going to be. I've made 2 beautiful pouches for my 2 daughters for Christmas. And I can't show you them because it will spoil their surprise. But I'm going to make one on camera over the next couple of days. And I'm going to use what I've used on theirs. I'm going to make a boho pouch. And I've got all these. Rachel gave me these. Aren't they gorgeous? Absolutely gorgeous. So I thought I shall make another one, or make another couple if I can, and then put them in my shop because they really are so sweet. So I've got all these trims. Okay, not that. And I thought, well, I'll do one on camera. Isn't that absolutely stunning? That is lovely. Absolutely lovely. Thank you, Rachel. Another happy mail because that just turned up. And these are super duper. These are from Mehetaj in India. Rachel will probably give me the link to her shop. Do you know, that would be pretty that way or that way. Isn't that lush? That is so lovely. And that one. And this is gorgeous as well. So I've got plenty to play with. And we'll see what we can come up with. So I shall be making a start on that tomorrow. I've finished my collaboration video, which will be going up on the 1st of November. I'm on day 1 this time with Rachel from Rach Bella Crafts. Well, we're both from Rach and Bella Crafts. So they're done. So now I can concentrate back on what I was doing before. So I thought I would do that now before the collaboration starts, and then I can do my slow stitching then while I'm watching all the collaborations, which is going to be so much fun. We've got a wonderful lineup. I was going to say, do you want a sneak peek? Why not? Shall I give you a sneak peek of the lineup, and then you'll know what's coming? Hang on, I'll get it and I'll show you if I can find it. There we are, I'll plug in the collaboration now. So, Christmas Craft Off 24, Seasonal Inspiration, Nostalgic Noel. That's the name of the kit on Rachel and Bella Crafts. And it starts on the 1st of November. Now, there's the lineup. So, let me move those out of the way in case you want to take a screenshot or something. And Rachel and I are starting it, kicking off with Christmas countdown number tags. I'm doing something really different for that once. So tune in and watch. Then day 2 is Gail Agostinelli. And then Precious Memory Boxes. And they're doing rustic Christmas tags. I'm not going to tell you any more except for Corey Damon. And she's with Rachel. So there you go. So there's a bit of a taster for you, all right? So anyway, I'm going to leave it there, and that's it. And I've just shown you that. So lots of eye candy there for you today. So take care of yourselves and have a wonderful day. Bye for now.